Hey everyone, Gregfilms here. It is spooky season, so today I'll be giving you a quick tutorial on how to capture that perfect pumpkin POV using the Insta360 X4. With a few tricks, you'll be able to achieve these shots. So let's dive right in. First, grab your pumpkin and sketch out your design directly on its surface. Once you're happy with your outline, carefully cut a circular opening at the top. Remove the top, then get ready to dig in, scoop out all the seeds and pulp from inside the pumpkin. Carefully carve out your design, then place a lit candle inside to bring your pumpkin to life with a warm glow. Now it's time to grab your X4 and switch to 360 photo mode. Set it to 72 megapixels and add a 5-second timer to give yourself plenty of time to get into position and capture the moment perfectly. Attach your X4 to the selfie stick, then place it lens down in the center of the pumpkin, turn off the lights and have fun capturing those festive shots. Once you're done creating, connect your X4 to the Insta360 app, view your shots in the album and reframe your favorites. When you're ready, click export and share it with the world. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to get creative with the X4 to capture your own pumpkin POV shots this Halloween. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly tutorials. Have an awesome Halloween, and until next time, happy shooting.